Hi, I'm Lindsay from Shrimp Salad Circus, and today I'm going to show you how to create a complete gallery wall and change out all the art in just a few minutes without taking any of the frames off the wall using SnapeZo frames. I'm also going to share some original art that I designed for you so you can go from nothing to a complete gallery wall in just a few minutes. So one of the things I love about the SnapeZo frames is that they come with hardware for wall mounting if you own your home or you are renting somewhere that you can put holes in the walls. But if you don't, as a frequent renter before we bought our current house, I always would have to use the command strips to hang anything on the wall. So you can buy some of these, just make sure you get a big enough size to hold whatever weight your frame is. So here is what makes these SnapeZo frames so great, is that without taking anything off the wall, I'm just popping the sides of the frame right open. I've got the included UV protective film over my art, and I am just gonna set it in here, snap everything back closed, and that's it. To learn more about SnapeZo frames and to download your free printable gallery wall just like this one, visit my blog at shrimpsaladcircus.com/SnapeZo.